The next word is anathema. Anathema. Anathema means something that is strongly hated. When you anathematize something, you curse it or you hate it. An anathema also means curse. C-U-R-S-E, cursing something. An anathema is a solemn curse, or anathema means something that is strongly hated. The next word is anchor. Anchor means to secure firmly. Anchored in something, means firmly established in something. The next word is anguish. Anguish. A synonym for anguish is angst. Angst, which means acute pain or acute suffering. Angular is the next word. Angular. Angular means sharp-cornered or rigid. Now, literally speaking, angular means something that has an angle. That means it is sharply cornered. Or, in other words, metaphorically or figuratively speaking, or using angular as a trope, T-R-O-P-E. Trope means metaphorical usage. Angular means, metaphorically, it means stiff or rigid. Next word is animadversion. A-N-I-M-A-D-V-E-R-S-I-O-N. Animadversion. Animadversion means a critical remark, a criticism. Next word is animus. A-N-I-M-U-S. Animus, a deep-seated animus in your heart. That means a hostile feeling. Animosity and animus are related words, which mean hatred or hostile feeling. In the annals of history, A-N-N-A-L-S, annals means records. Annals means records. The next word is annotate. A-N-N-O-T-A-T. Annotation or annotate means to make a comment or explanatory notes within a book. Annuity. A-N-N-U-I-T-Y. Annuity means a yearly allowance. A yearly allowance given to somebody is an annuity. Annul means make void. A-N-N-U-L. Annul means cancel or make void. Anodyne. A-N-O-D-Y-N-E. Anodyne means anything that relieves the pain. An anodyne is something that palliates. P-A-L-L-I-A-T-E-S. Anoint. A-N-O-I-N-T. Anointing means making sacred or consecrating. Antagonism. Antagonism is hostility. A-N-T-A-G-O-N-I-S-M. Antagonism is hostility. Antecede. A-N-T-E-C-E-D. Antecede means precede. P-R-E-C-E-D. That means come before. Antedate. A-N-T-E-D-D-A-T. Antedate. Antecede. Precede. All means come before. Antecedents, therefore, must be preceding events. Events that have come before or circumstances that have happened before. What are the antecedents? That means which led to this problem. That means what are the circumstances. Antediluvian. A-N-T-E-D-I-L-U-V-I-N. Diluvian means something pertaining to a flood. A-N-T-E, like we discussed earlier, means coming before. So, antediluvian means something that has come before that major flood, which is discussed in the Bible and several other mythologies. So, antediluvian literally means very old or antiquated. An anthem is a song of praise. Anthem need not necessarily be a patriotic song. Anthem is simply a song of praise. It may be a song of patriotism. The next word is anthropoid, which means man-like, like a man. Anthro means man. Anthropomorphic means having human form. Antidote, A-N-T-I-D-O-T. Antidote means a remedy. Antonym for antidote is toxin, T-O-X-I-N. Toxin means poison. Antithesis. Antithesis means something that goes against the thesis. That means something that is opposite to or contrasting. Antithetical. A-N-T-I-T-H-E-T-I-C-A-L. Antithetical means something that is opposed. Anvil. A-N-V-I-L. Anvil means an iron block used in hammering out metals. An anvil is used also by a cobbler. The next word is ape. A-P-E. Ape means to imitate. Mimic. M-I-M-I-C. Mimic. Ape is to simply imitate. Apathy, A-P-A-T-H-Y. Apathy is lack of feeling. Callousness, C-A-L-L-O-U-S. Callous. A callous person is indifferent or apathetic, is not concerned. Synonyms for apathy also include nonchalant, N-O-N-C-H-A-L-A-N-T. Nonchalant means unconcerned. Insouciant, I-N-S-O-U-S-C-I-A-N-T. Insouciant also means unconcerned, careless, casual. Aperture, A-P-E-R-T-U-R-E. Aperture means an opening. Aphasia, A-P-H-A-S-I-A. Aphasia means loss of speech. Aphasia means loss of speech. Aphorism, A-P-H-O-R-I-S-M. Aphorism means a small saying. A pithy maxim. Pithy means compact. Maxim means a saying or a saw or a proverb. An aphorism is an apothegm. Apiary. Apiary means a place where bees are kept. And aviary, A-V-I-A-R-Y. Aviary is for birds. Apiary, A-P-I-A-R-Y, is for bees. Aplomb. He spoke with great aplomb. Aplomb means a confidence or poise or assurance. Apocalyptic. A-P-O-C-A-L-Y-P-T-I-C. Apocalyptic means something that is prophetic. Apocalyptic also means something pertaining to total destruction. Apocryphal. A-P-O-C-R-Y-P-H-A. Apocrypha is actually the name of some books in the Bible whose origins are not known. That means nobody knows who wrote them. So apocryphal means something that is not genuine. Apocryphal therefore means untrue. Antonym for apocryphal will be canonical. C-A-N-O-N-I-C-A-L. Canonical. Canonical means approved by the church. Canon means something that is approved. The next word is apologist. I think we discussed this earlier. An apologist is an advocate or a supporter, one who writes in defense of something. An apologist is one who writes in defense and supports. Apostate. A-P-O-S-T-A-T. Apostate means one who abandons his religion. An apostate is one who abandons his religion. Apothecary. An apothecary, A-P-O-T-H-E-C-A-R-Y. An apothecary is a druggist, a chemist. Apothegm, A-P-O-T-H-E-G-M, means a compact saying. Apotheosis. Theo means God, apo means raised. Apotheosis means elevation to godhood. Antonym for apotheosis will be denigration or decadence. D-E-C-A-D-E-N-C-E. Decadence or denigration can be antonyms for apotheosis. Appall. The appalling performance of the Indian batsman. A-P-P-A-L-L. A-P-P-A-L-L. Appall means shock, causing dismay, shock. Apparition. A-P-P-A-R-I-T-I-O-N. Apparition means a phantom, a ghost. Synonym for apparitions are wraith. W-R-A-I-T-H. Wraith. Spectre. S-P-E-C-T-E-R. Sometimes spectre is also pronounced or spelt as S-P-E-C-T-R-E. So apparition means a ghost, a spectre, a wraith, W-R-A-I-T-H, ghost or phantom. Appease means to pacify, A-P-P-E-A-S-E. Appeasing somebody is to pacify somebody. Appellation is a title, a name, A-P-P-E-L-L-A-T-I-O-N. Appellation is the name or a title. Append means to attach, A-P-P-E-N-D. Append is to attach. Apposite. Apposite means fitting, appropriate, A-P-P-O-S-I-T. Apt, A-P-T. Apropos, A-P-R-O-P-O-S. Apropos means germane, G-E-R-M-A-N-E. Germane means very relevant. Something that is germane to the discussion means it is relevant, appropriate, apt, apropos and fitting. Application. You need a lot of application to do well on the GRE. That means diligent attention, hard work, application. Apprehend means to arrest a criminal. Apprehend. The police apprehended the criminal. Apprehensive. APPREHENSIV. Apprehensive means expecting trouble or fearful. Apprise. APPRISE is to inform. He apprised me of the latest developments. Approbation means praise. Appurtenances. APPURTENANCES. Appurtenances means additions to a property, subordinate possessions. He purchased the building with all its appurtenances. That means the backyard, the front yard, and all those other things which are attached to the property are called appurtenances. The next word is aquiline. AQUILINE. Aquiline means like the beak of an eagle. That means curved, hooked. Arable land. ARABLE. Arable land is land that is fit for growing crops. Arbiter. ARBITER. Arbiter is a person who is a mediator, who tries to decide a matter, decide a problem, comes in between and settles an issue. Arbitrary. Arbitrary means random, unreasonable, or capricious. An arbitrary decision. It's a random, unreasonable decision. Arboretum. 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 Arboretum means a place where trees are kept for display. Something like a greenhouse. GREEN. Greenhouse means where all the plants are kept there for study or exhibition. Arboreal, incidentally, arboreal means staying on trees. Monkeys are arboreal. We are terrestrial. Terrestrial means staying on the ground. Arboreal is staying on the trees. Arboretum obviously has something to do with trees, display of trees. The next word is arcade. ARCAD. Arcade means a covered passageway. Arcade. Arcane. ARCANE. Arcane means secret or mysterious. Arcane. Archetype. ARCHETYPE. Archetype means prototype or original pattern. Synonyms for archetype include forerunner, FORERUNNER, forerunner. Precursor, 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 something that has come before. The original model is the archetype, prototype, forerunner, and precursor. Archipelago. 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 The Lakshadweep is an archipelago, a string of closely located islands. Archives. The National Archives are at Delhi. Archives are public records or a museum where historical records are kept. Ardor. ARDOR or ARDOUR means a lot of passion. With a lot of, an ardent collector of stamps, an ardent lover of cricket, has a lot of ardor. That means passion. Arduous. Preparing for the GRE is an arduous task, requiring a lot of hard work. ARDUOUS. Argot. Argot means slang or language. Argot simply means the language of a particular kind of people, particular people. Synonyms for argot are jargon, JARGON, jargon. Parlance, PARLANCE, parlance. So, the argot, jargon, parlance mean the same, language. Aria, ARIA. Aria means a solo song sung in an opera. Aria. Arid is dry, barren land. Arid land. Fertile land is the antonym for arid land. Armada. ARMADA. Armada means a fleet of warships. Flotilla also means the same. FLOTILLA. Flotilla means a fleet of warships. Arraign. ARRAIGN. He was arraigned. Manoj Prabhakar was arraigned by the CBI. Arraign means accuse, charge in a court, or indict. INDICT. The C is silent. Indite means charge in a court, a rain. Array, A-R-R-A-Y. Array means to drop in order, put in order. An array is a series. Synonyms for array are marshal, M-A-R-S-H-A-L. Marshalling your thoughts means putting your thoughts in order. An array is also an impressive display, put in order. Synonym for array also include panoply, P-A-N-O-P-L-Y, panoply. Arrhythmic means something that is lacking in rhythm or like regularity. Arroyo, A-R-R-O-Y-O. Arroyo means a gully. A gully means a deep ravine, R-A-V-I-N-E. A deep chasm, C-H-A-S-M, between two hills. Arroyo means a valley, a deep valley or a gully, G-U-L-L-Y. Arsenal, A-R-S-E-N-A-L. It's a storage place for military equipment. Articulate means very effective in speech. Articulate also means jointed. Artifice, A-R-T-I-F-I-C-E. Artifice means trickery, tricking, deception. Ashen, A-S-H-E-N. Ashen means ash colored, pale, pallid, P-A-L-L-I-D. Pallor, P-A-L-L-O-R. Sallow, S-A-L-L-O-W. Wan, W-A-N. Sickly, S-I-C-K-L-Y. So ashen means something that is pale in color, an ashen faced look. Ashen with fear means pallid, sallow, wan and sickly. Antonym for ashen will be ruddy, R-U-D-D-Y. Ruddy means red in color or flushed with blood. Ruddy also means healthy. Asinine, asinine means stupid, like an ass. Askance, A-S-K-A-N-C-E, looking suspiciously or sideways. Askew is crooked, A-S-K-E-W. Askew, skew also means crooked. Antonym for askew is straight. Asperity, A-S-P-E-R-I-T-Y, sharpness of temper, cutting remarks are full of asperity. Aspersion, casting aspersion. Aspersion, slanderous remark or criticizing somebody in a very bad and slanderous manner is aspersion. Aspire, aspiring to achieve success means seeking to. Assail, A-S-S-A-I-L. Assail means to attack, assault. Assay, A-S-S-A-Y. Assay means to evaluate or analyze. Assent is agree. Assiduous, A-S-S-I-D-U-O-U-S. Assiduous, you can see the word ass in front of assiduous. Ass is a donkey and a donkey is hardworking, so assiduous is hardworking. Assuage means to lessen the pain. An assumption is something that is taken for granted. Astigmatism, short sight or defect of the eye. Astral, pertaining to the stars. Astringent means something that is cutting. An astringent also causes contraction. An astringent can be used to check bleeding. An astringent also is anything that is sharp and acidic is astringent. Citric acid is an astringent. An astringent comment means an acidic comment which hurts somebody. Astronomical, enormously large. An astronomical amount of money has been spent means a large amount of money has been spent. Astute, A-S-T-U-T. Astute means very keen, very shrewd, very wise. An astute mind. An astute cricketing brain. Asunder. Asunder or sunder means cut into parts. A-S-U-N-D-E-R. Atavism. Atavism means resembling your ancestor. If you start growing a tail, you will be under the influence of what is called atavism. A-T-A-V-I-S-M. Atone. Atone means feeling regret or feeling guilty or feeling compunction. C-O-M-P-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. And penitent. When a person is penitent, that means he is regretting over what he has done. P-E-N-I-T-E-N-T. He atones. A person who is atoning is penitent, compunction, suffering from compunction, contrite, C-O-N-T-R-I-T-E, and guilty. Atrophy, A-T-R-O-P-H-Y. Atrophy means becoming thinner, wasting away. Attenuate means weaken. Attrition, A-T-T-R-I-T-I-O-N. Attrition means gradual decrease in numbers. Synonym for attrition is detrition, D-E-T-R-I-T-I-O-N. Detrition also means wearing away. Antonym for attrition will be accretion, A-C-C-R-E-T-I-O-N. Accretion means increase. Atypical, A-T-Y-P-I-C-A-L. Atypical means something that is not typical and therefore not normal. Typical means conforming to a pattern or type. Atypical, not conforming to any type. So that means it is abnormal or not normal. Augment means to increase. Augury, A-U-G-U-R-Y. Augury means an omen, prophecy. It augurs well for Indian cricket. That Sehwag is batting very well, it augurs well. August, an august gathering is an impressive, majestic gathering, A-U-G-U-S-T. Aureole, there is an aureole around the moon or the sun. That means a corona, C-O-R-O-N-A. Corona means a ring of light or a halo, H-A-L-O, halo. Auroral, A-U-R-O-R-A-L, pertaining to a phenomena that occurs in the North Pole, Aurora Borealis. That means a spectacular display of lights in the night. Because of magnetized particles which reflect light, there is a spectacular display which is called aurora, auroral. Authoritarian, A-U-T-H-O-R-I-T-A-R-I-N. Authoritarian means completely dominating another person, using a lot of authority. Authoritative, similarly, authoritative means dictatorial or peremptory, P-E-R-E-M-P-T-O-R-Y. Peremptory is dictatorial or authoritative. Automaton, automaton means a machine, anything that imitates the actions of humans, but a mechanism that imitates the actions of humans, but it is mechanical. Autopsy is the examination of a dead body. Biopsy is the examination of a living body. Avalanche, A-V-A-L-A-N-C-H-E. Avalanche is a great mass of falling snow, rapidly descending. Snow that is rapidly descending the side of a hill is known as an avalanche. A glacier, on the other hand, is slowly moving. G-L-A-C-I-E-R. A glacier is slowly moving. Avarice, E-A-V-A-R-I-C-E. Avarice means greed. Aver, A-V-E-R. Aver means state confidently, assert, agree. Antonym for aver is deny, E-N-Y, or gainsay, G-A-I-N-S-A-Y, deny. Aversion is a strong disliking. Avert, averting a disaster, A-V-E-R-T, means preventing or forestalling, F-O-R-E-S-T-A-L-L, forestall, means to stop beforehand or prevent. Stall means to stop, stalling somebody, stopping somebody. Forestalling an event, stopping it, preventing it from occurring. Aviary is for birds. Avid, eager. Avocation. Avocation means a hobby. A-V-O-C-A, V-O-C-A-T-I-O-N. Vocational courses. Vocation means a profession. Synonym for vocation is metier. M-E-T-I-E-R. Metier means a profession. The next word is avow. A-V-O-W. Vow means taking an oath or pledge. Avow means declare openly. Avuncular. A-V-U-N-C-U-L-A-R. Like an uncle. Avuncular. Awe. A-W-E. Awe means wonder. Awe is a complex feeling actually, which includes wonder, shock and fear. Awl, A-W-L, means a pointed tool used for piercing. A cobbler is likely to use an awl Awry, A-W-R-Y. Awry means askew, that is crooked, twisted. Your logic has gone awry, means completely twisted. Axiom, A-X-I-O-M. Axiom means a self-evident truth. Axiomatic means self-evident truth. Azure, A-Z-U-R-E. Azure means blue, sky blue color. Azure eyes, blue eyes. Babble, B-A-B-B-L-E. Babble means idle talk, foolish talk. Synonym for babble is prattle, P-R-A-T-T-L-E. Prattle or prate, P-R-A-T. Prate also means talk idly, foolish talk. Jabber, J-A-B-B-E-R, jabber. Bacchanalian, B-A-C-C-H-A-N-A-L-I-A-N. Bacchanalian means drunken. Bacchus was the Roman god of wine. Bacchanalian therefore means drunkenness or carousal, C-A-R-O-U-S-A-L. A synonym for Bacchanalian is Dionysian, D-I-O-N-Y-S-I-A-N. Dionysus is the other name for Bacchus, the Roman god of wine. So Dionysian, Bacchanalian and carousal and revelry, R-E-V-E-L-R-Y, all means drunken celebration. Now there is another word which is similar to carousal but different in meaning. C-A-R-O-U-S-E-L, carousel with an E, which means a merry-go-round or a turnstile, T-U-R-N-S-T-I-L-E. A turnstile means a revolving door. Carousal with an A means drunkenness. Carousal with an E means a turnstile or a merry-go-round. Badger, B-A-D-G-E-R. Badger means pester. It's a verb which means annoy. He badgered me with a lot of requests. He pestered me and annoyed me. Badinage, B-A-D-I-N-A-G-E. Badinage means a light-hearted teasing. Larking, L-A-R-K-I-N-G. Larking also means a light-hearted ridiculing. Banter, B-A-N-T-E-R, means the same. Or persiflage, P-E-R-S-I-F-L-A-G-E. Persiflage also means light-hearted ridiculing. So remember, badinage, banter, persiflage and larking all mean light-hearted teasing. Baffle, B-A-F-F-L-A. Baffle means confuse, perplex. Here, Harbhajan baffled the batsman, frustrated or perplexed, confused. Baleful, B-A-L-E-F-U-L. Baleful means menacing, deadly, ominous, having a baleful influence. Minatory, M-I-N-A-T-O-R-Y. Minatory means threatening. Bale means something that is threatening or harmful, deadly. Balk, B-A-L-K. Balk means stop short. He was balking. The prospect of facing Shoaib Akhtar balks many a batsman. That means he feels tentative, hesitant. To balk someone is to place an obstacle in front. To balk therefore means foil, F-O-I-L. Foil means do something to upset the attempts of another. Balking. Ballast, B-A-L-L-A-S-T. Ballast means something that is used to give the balance to a ship. It gives stability. The NDA lacks a ballast because there are too many people, too many parties. Ballast means something that gives stability. Balm, B-A-L-M. Balm means something that relieves pain. Balmy, therefore means something that relieves pain or something that is very mild. A balmy breeze means a mild and fragrant breeze. Banal, B-A-N-A-L. Hackney, banal means something that is very commonplace. Synonyms for banal are hackneyed, H-A-C-K-E-N-E-Y-E-D. Quotidian, Q-U-O-T-I-D-I-A-N. Quotidian means commonplace. Cliched, C-L-I-C-H-E-D. Cliched also means overused expression which is very banal. And pedestrian, P-E-D-E-S-T-R-I-A-N. Pedestrian means lacking creativity, lacking imagination or boring. Plebeian also means the same. Plebeian means unimaginative. Now pedestrian also means a person who is walking. Plebeians, in other words, plebeians means common people. So banal, hackneyed, commonplace. Quotidian Cliched, pedestrian, plebeian are all unimaginative. Bandy, B-A-N-D-Y. Bandy means exchange comments, bandying niceties, bandying charges, bandying words. Discuss lightly or exchange comments. Bane, B-A-N-E. Bane means curse. Poverty is the bane of poor countries, underdeveloped countries. Barb, B-A-R-B. Barb means a barbed wire, a sharp projection. Bard, B-A-R-D. Bard means a poet.